this is Trish from projectfloor.com. We are going to make a hop boutonniere. And if you don't know, hops are the flour that are used to flavor beer. Both the taste and then also the nose, and they smell amazing. These are fresh hops that are available from late July to around early September, and they come in your Project Floor kit. If your wedding or event is at a different month, we will send you dried hops. So let's get started. The things that you'll need to make a boutonniere are scissors, the U-glue stickers that come in the kit, hops, your rose, this is Lacy Dusty Miller, some floral tape, and then also your ribbon of choice, or the ribbon that we provide, and don't forget the boutonniere pin. We also will include a box in your kit, a presentation box. So this is the first thing that we're going to work with is this beautiful Lacy Dusty Miller, and this is gorgeous. If you can feel it, it has a really beautiful velvety sage colored gray texture, and then on the back, which you can choose to use the back too, it's got this lighter snowy gray color. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to peel off those lower leaves because you're just going to see the upper leaves in here, and we want a nice clean stem to gather and tape up. So I'm going to take those off and then layer that at the bottom. You're first going to start with your larger leaves at the bottom, and then you're going to use your spray rose. Now, I've taken off the guard petals of the spray rose already, and guard petals are the outer green protective petals of the rose that we leave on for shipping purposes so that they don't get bruised, and later on you take them off. Spray roses are much better than your standard larger rose for boutonniere work because the larger rose tends to be too bulky, and it often falls forward or goes to the side and becomes really crooked. So they're too heavy for boutonniere work. You want to use a spray rose instead, or a sweetheart rose. So you're going to layer that like so, a little bit lower, and then even lower in the boutonniere arrangement, you're going to add your hops. And it's okay that the stems are short because we're going to put this all together with tape. Okay, so what we're doing is we're creating different layers, and we're creating different textures. And as you can see, I have 3 different kinds of foliage and botanicals. And the number 3 is really important. It's just visually pleasing to the eye. Even flower arrangement, we often group things in 3. So you're going to take your boutonniere, gather it like so, and you're going to take your floral tape and you're going to wrap it around once at the bottom, and you're going to pull and turn, pull and turn, and by pulling it and stretching it out, we're activating the glue in the floral tape. So we're going to pull and turn, pull and turn, pull and turn, pull and turn, pull and turn. Then you're going to take your scissors. I'm just going to cut the end off like so. Now this length is great for the stem. It's around 1.5 inches. I like to do around 1 3/4, 1.5 inches for the stem of the boutonniere. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to you put our ribbon on there, and you can just leave it like this. I mean, this is perfectly gorgeous. It really matches the color of the hops. But if you would like to add ribbon on there, you're going to take your U-glue sticker, and this U-glue sticker is a florist product that professional florists use, and it is wonderful for also wardrobe malfunctions, preventing those. I've used them on strapless dresses before. And look for the side that you like and turn that around a little bit like that. Then you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to wrap it around like so, leaving a little bit over because you're going to tuck that in. for a cleaner edge like that. Then we're going to add a 4th tab of U-glue. So I just cut that in half. We're going to kind of tuck it inside so it's also on the outer ribbon, but also on the boutonniere stem. Like that. And then you're going to tuck your ribbon in and fold over. And there you go. Isn't that beautiful? It smells amazing. If you could smell it right now, it's really gorgeous. So that is our hop boutonniere. The next step is to use some Floral Life finishing touch. So you're going to take this like so, and you're going to spray. This is hydration spray, and it is available. Either you can message us on our website or get it on Amazon. But it's really important when you're doing large event work to hydrate your arrangements after you make it. And then don't forget, this is super important, place your pin to the side just like this, so that the groomsmen have those pins to use. And then your project floor kit will come with a boutonniere box, a boutonniere corsage box, and you're going to place it in there like that. And this is just really a wonderful presentation, like a gift. You're thanking your groomsmen, and perhaps your grandparents or your parents for coming and being part of your celebration. So we like to have a nice presentation. And then be sure to have that Floral Life dry, the finishing touch spray dry, before you put it in the refrigerator, and please put it on the bottom of the fridge. So after that's dry, put the lid on it like this, and then you're going to go ahead and put that in the refrigerator on the bottom shelf. I have burned flowers by freezing them by putting them on the top shelf. So there's your finished boutonniere, ready to be presented. You can make this 1 to 2 days in advance and pop it in the fridge. To see our kits, go to projectfloor.com. Our hop kit may not be up yet, but just send me an email at info@projectfloor.com and we'll get you hooked up. Thank you very much.